Welcome to ERPTREE. At ERPTREE, we are offering 100% job guarantee program on Oracle Fusion Financials applications. And who can do this program? The non-working and working professionals. The working professionals, if they are getting less package, they can upgrade the package with this program. They no need to quit their job. They can continue with the current job and they can do this program as a part of weekend batch. So we run the classes on Saturdays and Sundays for working professionals. If you are not working in any company as of now, you can opt for full-time program. You have to be on the floor minimum 6 days, if possible 7 days to learn this program. If you are working, at least you can come down to the office to learn this 100% job guarantee program by investing your Saturdays and Sundays. The rest of days, you are expected to invest whatever the possible time to learn this Oracle Fusion Financials applications. And what is the eligibility to get into this program? Any bachelor degree works, and same time the candidate should be able to speak in English without any mistakes. There are many examples created from this program where people got packages like 25, 30, 35, 40. The highest package was 47 received by one of the candidates. There are many guys got the package like 30, 35, 40, but only one person received very highest package as a 47. And the guy who received 47 lakhs, he was getting 4.5 lakhs before coming to this program. So that sort of huge upgrade you can experience in this program. You may be very much intelligent and you have a great qualifications. If you are in the wrong path, in terms of job or say career, you cannot get good package. Always you have to think whether you choose your job or the job choose you. If you can choose Oracle Fusion Financials, yes, you will have a wonderful career path. It is not like for 5 years, 10 years, for your entire career, you can travel with Oracle Fusion Financials application. Again, it is not coding related job, it's a functional. So functional jobs always will have a demand in the market. When we talk about technical, that's a different story. There is always huge changes in the technology. The technologies are evolving and you have to keep upgrading, and there is no much guarantee you can continue in the technical role all the time. But when we talk about functional roles like Oracle Fusion Financials, so you will be always in the demand. Even AI cannot eat your job if you are into functional roles. The technical roles, it totally depends. You are into what type of technical role, accordingly, you can be in the demand, or else that can be replaced with AI capabilities or by bringing some advanced tools in the place, we may lose the jobs. But in case of functional jobs, nothing can replace the functional jobs, always will have in the demand. So for more details, you can contact our team and they can provide you required information, and you can visit our office and talk to the people who are in the program and learn from them why they joined, what are the real examples they have seen when they are in the program. This is all you can understand, then you can take the final decision. So this is a wonderful opportunity to upgrade your current package, maybe 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. It could be 10x also. If you are not working anywhere, irrespective of your academics, you can be part of this program. So thanks for your time. Visit our office, talk to our team, talk to the people who are in the program, then take the decision. Thank you.